amazing crochet family. I am your one and your only Lady of Crochet, Lady Simone, and we are here with a tutorial. Yes, y'all. So I just wanted to pop in. This is future me popping in to tell y'all little details of some of the things that I used for this project. And as you can see on the thumbnail, I am talking about this cute little basket that I have here. And I made some little handles because I thought the handles, they're not like really large, but it's something to where it's easier to pick up. And honestly, if you do not want the handle, you can skip the row in the tutorial. You can skip that part and just make it another round of single crochet if you don't want the little handles. I thought the handle gave us a little option, and I'm using my basket to put a couple of fall hooks in there and just kind of put it up on my shelves for decoration. And I think it's really cute. So I think it turned out really cute. You can actually use this basket for anything. You can put it, it's made out of t-shirt yarn, so you can put it like in your restroom, your bathrooms. You can put it on your dresser. It could be little trinkets, or the possibilities are infinite. But anyways, not to keep going down this little rabbit hole, y'all, because listen, I'm gonna tell y'all what y'all gonna need. Y'all gonna need some t-shirt yarn. This one I got from Joann's. It is a good quality. Joann's had a while back this t-shirt yarn when it first came out. I got them in every color, and it works up really good. And honestly, y'all, I had this for a while, and I made something else with this. But it's a lot on here, so you can make a lot of these little baskets. If you want to give little baskets out for Halloween, I don't know, or if you have a special occasion, maybe, you know, it could be a nice little treat basket for work or whatever. Like I said, the possibilities are endless. But I use this t-shirt yarn, and I use, y'all know now. I use the 8mm crochet hook for this one, and you're going to see in the tutorial that my tension is a little tight, so if you want to go up a hook size, you can go up a hook size. I always say crochet is so versatile. Do what makes you feel good. Listen, choose the yarn that makes you feel good, choose the hook size that make you feel good, y'all, and just get with it and do the project. I am going to leave it at that. You will also need a pair of scissors, a stitch marker, and something to weave in the ends, but those are just the basic necessities for your project. But outside of that, y'all, let me know in the comments below how y'all like this little cute little basket, what you're going to use your basket for, and I'm going to let the past me take over. Y'all enjoy this tutorial, and I'll see y'all in the next one now. See you later. All right, crochet family, we are going to start this tutorial with a magic circle. And as you can see here, I'm doing a magic circle, and we are going to put 6 single crochets in that magic circle. Here we are with number 2. Then we're going to go with number 3, 4, 5, and one more, y'all. We're gonna have 6. There we go. So then what I always like to do is pull tight for my magic circle, and then I find that first stitch, and we are going to slip stitch in that one, and then we're going to chain 1. So there goes that slip stitch, and then you're going to chain 1. There we go, y'all. All right, so I like to use my stitch marker here so that way I can keep counts, because I like to count as I go. That's just something that I do. I know everyone crochets a little different, but it helps me better understand everything, y'all. So for round 2, we're going to increase in each stitch with me, which means we are going to put 2 single crochets in each stitch around. So by the end of this round, y'all, we will have 12 single crochets. So this is our increase round in each stitch. 12 single crochets. All right, y'all, we are finished with that round, and what I am actually showing y'all here is counting those stitches. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the one on our hook makes 12. So I'm just showing y'all the stitches from the prior round, but now we're going to slip stitch and we are going to chain up 1. So always remember, we are going to slip stitch to connect, chain 1, and we are going to put our stitch marker right there so we can start on round 3. Now round 3 is a single crochet, then an increase around. So you're going to start in that first stitch and you're going to put 1 single crochet, and then in your next stitch you're going to put 2 single crochets. So we're going to do that all the way around. Okay, let's look at that one more time. 1 single crochet in the next stitch. Here we go. And don't be afraid to flatten or, you know, maneuver with your yarn. Like, listen, do it as you go. And 2 single crochets in this one. So sometimes with this t-shirt yarn, I had to stretch it out because I have a tight tension. So if you do crochet tightly, you may have to stretch as you go. But remember, this round, single crochet, then an increase. You're going to have 18 stitches by the end of this round. All right, y'all, we are ready for the next round, but I wanted to show y'all in this little stitch here, just it looks like a stitch, but it's not your stitch. That's why I like to use my stitch marker, just so it can help me, because even as a seasoned crocheter, y'all, I still make little minor mistakes and I have to be reminded. So for this round, you're going to insert your hook in that first stitch, you're going to slip stitch and chain up 1. And I'm pulling a lot as I go because I really like tight stitches, y'all. I cannot get out of that, so my tension is very tight. So excuse me for that. But for this round, we are going to put 1 single crochet in each of the next 2 stitches, and then we are going to increase in the 3rd stitch. So right here you see we have 1 single crochet here. Then we're going to put another single crochet in the next stitch. But in your 3rd stitch, you're going to put 2 single crochet. That is going to count as your increase. So you're going to do that all the way around. You're going to do 2 single crochets, 1 and then 2, and then an increase in the 3rd stitch. So let's look at that one more time. 1 single crochet is going to go in the next one once I get this yarn together, y'all. So let me pull a little more here. Just pull a little more. But we're going to put 1 single crochet here, and then we're going to put 1 single crochet here, and then the next stitch is going to be our increase with 2 single crochets. We're going to do that all the way around, and at the end of this round we'll have 24 single crochets. All right, y'all, we are ready for the next round. But what I'm doing here, I wanted to show y'all that when working with this t-shirt yarn, I like to kind of flatten it out and I like to kind of pull it. And what I'm doing here is just letting y'all know, like, see, like, it's okay as you're crocheting, like, maneuver, play with your yarn. It is okay. Those stitches ain't going nowhere, especially as tight as I crochet. So I just wanted to show y'all that, how I flatten it out and everything. And then I'm getting ready for our next round. In this round, we are going to be working in the back loops only of this round. And what you're seeing here, I'm slip stitching and chaining 1. So then I'm going to show you all right here how that V-stitch looks, because sometimes it's easier to show. You see those stitches and you look at it kind of like that V. We're going to work in that stitch right there, like that back of the stitch, not through 2. We're going to only go to that 1 back. That's going to give us a nice good bottom for our basket. So you're just going to do 1 single crochet in each of those back loop only stitches around, and you're going to still end up with 24 stitches at the end of this round. All right, y'all, after we finish this round, you're going to see I'm going to do the same thing. Slip stitch into our first stitch, and then we are going to chain up 1. And I want to show y'all on this round, once I put this stitch marker here, we are going to show how those back loop only stitches look. So you can see it creates a nice little, excuse my little extra, I'm gonna put that in, I'll sew them ends in later, y'all. But right here, I'm trying to just kind of form it a little bit to show y'all. You see the stitches right there that those back loop only creates. It creates a nice little ridge, and it kind of, I like it. And then you'll see as you keep building up the edges, which we're going to do for round 6 through 10, it's a nice little, it helps it stand better for me. That's what I noticed there. So for round 6 through 10, we are going to go in each stitch around one time, 1 single crochet in each stitch. Remember, slip stitch and chain 1 after each round, and you're going to do it for 6 through 10. If you want your basket to be shorter or taller, you can, just play around with it. Do what works best for you. Like I say, make it fun, y'all. Crochet should always be fun, and there are no rules to this game, y'all. Do what works best for you. So we are going to go with 1 single crochet in each stitch around for round 6 through 10. All right, so after completing round 6 through 10, we are going to go in to make the round for the handles. What you're going to do is remember to slip stitch and chain 1. I'm kind of moving a little faster here, but we are going to do 4 single crochets here, and then we are going to chain 4. So you're going to begin with that 4 single crochet, chain 4, and skip 4 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and go into your 5th stitch. Okay, so what you're going to do here is crochet 1 single crochet in the next 8 stitches. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That yarn can get caught up sometimes, I'm sorry. 7, pull that little tight, let's get to that 7, and then 8, and we are going to chain 4, 3 and 4, skip 4, and go into the 5th stitch, and you're going to put 4 more single crochets, which is 1 in each of the next 4, and then that'll be the completion of this round, because we will slip stitch and then you're going to finish off. So that's what we're going to do here. We are going to put our last stitch there. You are going to slip stitch after this one. So finish off any way that you like to finish off. I know everybody have different methods of finishing off, but just do what works best for you. With that being said, y'all, I'm going to insert a couple of pictures just to let y'all see the basket and what I'm using it for, how I'm using it, like I showed y'all prior. And I hope that y'all really enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see y'all in the next one.